Here I am where the movie started, facing at a photo they've taken.
We're outside of Lordswood Greenway, just outside of, well, Nursling, and we're going to try and find a little entrance into Clams Copse, but not through this way. Yeah, we've done that route before. Well, we're going to try something else. I don't think you can go through that way. Let's have a look. We might be able to get through. Might be unpassable. Someone's been here before. Someone's trod on here. This is more overgrown than I thought it'd be. Whoa! There was a big hole there. Jesus. Maybe we should walk. We'll just scoot along. If there's a big hole, we'll be alright. I hope. Lovely field. I guess this route will be more well used once the houses are built. Can we pass that? Very long grass, if this is never cut. Alright, I think we're in Clams Copse. Let's have a look through here. Once this is all done, I guess access through this side of the wood will be easier. I don't think I could do this with a normal bike. Shall we go that way or go that way? I think we'll follow it around. Oh, there's a fence there. That's not a good sign. We walk from here. This is not a track. I hope it's not a dead end, because we have to go all the way back. My socks are starting to get wet now. It's from the dew. Ow. How did a thorn manage to penetrate the sole? Alright, we come to... could be a dead end. Well, I could go over that fence as it's been pushed down. So if I wanted to get out, I could. But let's go this way. Where are we? Maybe I should fly my drone.
Photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and battles happen everywhere. I don't need any hero to save me. I don't know why the kids always crying. I've been thinking about how the captain's spot we left in a wasted planet. Can you feel the spark in the city light when it's day to night? That's the sparkles from my beating heart when it breaks. Here I am where the movie started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and battles happen everywhere. I don't need any hero to save me. I don't know why the kids always crying. I've been thinking about how the captain's spot we left in a wasted planet. Can you feel the spark in the city light when it's day to night? That's the sparkles from my beating heart. When it breaks so here I am where the movie started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and battles happen everywhere. I don't need any hero to save me. I don't know why the kids always crying. I've been thinking about how the captain's ball we left in a wasted planet. Can you feel the sparkle city light when it's still night? That's the sparkles from my beating heart. When it breaks so started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and battles happen everywhere. I don't need any hero to save me. I don't know why the kids always crying. I've been thinking about how the captain's ball we left in a wasted planet. Can you feel the sparkle city light when it's still night? That's the sparkles from my beating heart. When it breaks so hard.
Come on, bike, you can do it. I don't know why they've done that. It's all like barbed wired. I'm sure there's a way in. Well, the gate's been left open. Why has someone left the gate open? I'm a little lost. Let's go up here. I can't get in though. Barbed wire all around. Okay, we'll keep going around. Might be able to find an entrance. Whoa, this is super long grass. Let's go around the edge. Oh, this is a real explore. This is fenced all the way around. There must be a way in. Is that a way in? Could be. Not sure. If I had to climb over the barbed wire, I will. Maybe it wasn't a way in. Here's a double fence. Shit. Ah, there might be a way in that corner. Very long grass. Just floating on top of it. There's got to be a way in. There isn't. Oh shit. Oh, there's a creek. That's Tanner's Creek. Let's have a think how we're going to do this. I can lift my bike over that. What they do in the army is put a carpet over it. Oh. I don't want to fall in that. Don't think I'll be doing this one again in a hurry. Look at that. I wouldn't eat that, that's poisonous. Look at that one. Now we've just gone around Clams Copse. See that little blue post? That's a little marking point. Right, we're going to head back into the main part of Lordswood. Once we get out to the main bit, I'll probably end the video there. Check them out. Yeah, that goes into Diamonds Wood down there. Let's go this way. So yeah, that's another little entrance into Lordswood, but not a very practical one. Right, we are going. Well, that's that video. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Sparkles from my beating heart when it breaks so